Hi guys, in this video I will show you exactly how you can delete your monday.com account. So if you want to delete your monday.com account, you just need to tap on the right upper corner on your profile picture and then go to administration. Then scroll down until you see billing, and under overview scroll a bit down, and as you see contact support. Our support team is here to help with any questions you may have. You can either contact the support if you want to, or you can tap on close my account. As you see, if you close your account, you and your team will not be able to access any of your work on boards. So you can keep your account if you want to, or tap on close account. Now this won't delete your account immediately, but this will close it. Just tap on close account. And as you can see, your account has been closed. We hope to see you again someday. And if you want to reopen your account, you can easily tap on this button if you want to reopen it. Or do you want to delete your account permanently? So just tap on this button if you are sure that you do want to delete your account. And I want to delete my data, I want to delete my account. And as you can see, again, a pop-up in the screen. Keep your data for later. So you can again, they try to push you not deleting your account, but we do want to delete our account. So just tap on delete account data for good, and enter your password, and again toggle this on. And boom, you've requested to delete your account data. The deletion process will start in 30 days. And as you can see, 30 days, you have 30 days time to reopen your account very easily. So I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider subscribing and liking the video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.